Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club. This is pack opening 556. We got one pack of Skybox Series 2 NBA Inaugural Edition. Let's rip. So I've been super collecting, set building rather, the 86 Flair set. Started doing it when I wrote the first book, Sports Card Collectors Club Volume 1, and then got back into it recently as I'm starting to write Volume 3, The Card Life. These cards look great, they feel great, they're crisp and sharp. I'm guessing these are all going to like gem in 10. Washington Bullets, that's epic. They don't even exist anymore. Rest in peace. That's the winner. Rest in peace, Washington Bullets. You guys take care. That was a fun one. God bless.